Making coffee using pre-ground coffee. Never place coffee beans in the pre-ground coffee funnel, as this could damage the appliance. Never add pre-ground coffee when the machine is off, or it could spread through the inside of the machine and dirty it. This could damage the appliance. Never use more than one level measure, or it could dirty the inside of the coffee machine or block the funnel. When you use pre-ground coffee, you can only make 1 cup of coffee at a time. Press the aroma selection icon repeatedly until pre-ground is displayed. Open the pre-ground coffee funnel lid. Make sure the funnel is not blocked. Then add 1 level measure of pre-ground coffee. Place a cup under the coffee spouts. Press the 1 cup coffee icon. Preparation begins. The amount of coffee selected is displayed, together with a progress bar which gradually fills as preparation progresses. If energy-saving mode is active, you may have to wait a few seconds before the first coffee is delivered.